Hey folks, this is Raul here at Worldwide RV, the Jayco dealership here in Mesa, Arizona, and today I want to show you an awesome motorhome, the shortest in the Jayco range on the Ford chassis. This is the Jayco Redhawk 22C. Here we are in the interior of the 22C. Like all Jayco motorhomes, this unit comes with 2-year warranty on the whole thing and 3-year structural. That's on top of the Ford chassis engine gearbox warranty. This unit also is equipped with solar, 200 watts of solar wired for 500, and this unit also has automatic leveling, which 4-point automatic leveling, which is quite rare for 22 feet Class Cs. Besides the walk-around bed, which again it's a rare feature for a 22-foot Class C, this unit also comes equipped with a second bedroom. Actually, it's just a closet, but a very roomy closet. Also, it has a very roomy bathroom with a window. Unit is also equipped with a 12-volt, very roomy fridge and very nice kitchen. So if you're looking for a Class C, they can tow 7,500 pounds, sleep 4 adults and 2 kids while still being very short, come by and ask for Raul. I'll be more than happy to help you.